commitment is about continuity. Something you do with ease every day on a constant basis, that you accept, that becomes part of your life, that you're comfortable with. Little bits and pieces that build up and then suddenly become something over time. Not intensity, continuity. That's how real changes happen. Intensity can be great for breaking something up. Break a habit, break up a relationship, break a boundary, break through something. But if you want to build something, you want to build yourself, you want to have what you need to move on up, come to a place of self-love and self-actualization and complete success and fulfillment in all aspects of your life, it's continuity that will get you there. Lots of little steps. It's like going to the gym, right? It's like, if I decide to go on a diet and I follow the diet will work. They usually do, but you have to actually do them.